Which is the best peach tree to plant? Not too big. Thank you. This is Paul from Point Pleasant, West Virginia. So Lee, best peach tree to plant, and we're talking about West Virginia.
I would recommend you call your local extension office there in West Virginia. They can give you recommendations on what varieties do well in that area.
Right, right. They would have publications,
right,
of course, of peach varieties from that area or for that area. But here's something else too that actually, I know Dr. Natalie Bumgarner is from West Virginia. You know, just happen to know that there are a couple of different zones. So pay attention to your plant zones.
Right.
Because their zones actually go from 5B to 7A. Can you believe that? 5B to 7A. So make sure that you, of course, take note of that. And then, yeah, go to your local extension office. They will have a publication on peach varieties for your area. I have seen a couple. Red Haven is one.
Right.
John Boy that I've seen before is another one. And Bounty is one that I'm familiar with that you can grow up that way. But those are just three, but I'm sure they have a list of more that you can grow in that area.
If he's looking for a small, then he looks for a dwarf.
Right, right. Because they actually have two. Not only that, but you have, of course, white flesh, or do you want yellow flesh? Right, so they'll have those varieties, you know, as well, listed in their publications, I'm sure. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.